grader from SMA Pusat School of Talent. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about my dreams and what will I do to achieve it. Ever since I was a little girl, I have the dream to become a general doctor. But as time goes by, my dream grew from being a general doctor to an obstetrician and gynecologist, often known as OBGYN, a doctor who specialized on handling mothers, women, and babies. Why did I choose this dream? The reason why is because I want to help all women and all mothers to improve their life, their health life, and also make a positive impact in their life. Just seeing mothers healthily born their babies and their babies were also born healthy was just a pure happiness to me. What will I do to achieve my dreams? For this year, I set several goals that I need to reach. First of all, and of course, I need to study harder so I can be accepted in medical school. I need to study for the UTBK or as well in biology, chemistry, and also English. Also, I need to develop better study habits, manage my time wisely, and make myself more disciplined in every aspect. And besides of studying, I will take care of myself mentally and physically so I can stay productive and motivated. I know that being an OBGYN can't happen overnight, but I believe that every little steps that I make will help me get closer to achieve my dreams. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.